Making your own gasket is simple. You need some red rubber gasket material, a means to cut it. In this video, use a hole saw, a hollow punch set, and an Olfa knife. This first gasket is for to seal a blank on my pool tubing. Firmly grip the rubber, place on a surface that you can drill through. Then, as simple as that, you have a blank gasket. If you need a hollow center, keep watching. Now time for the hollow punch. You need to be on a very solid base for this. Strike the punch hard with the heavy hammer. These punches have seen some action, so are not the sharpest anymore, but they do the job. So here is a great way to get a hollow center. Use 2 hole punches, one bigger than the last. These would make good gaskets for your garden hose, for example. To cut out a square gasket, mark out the size you need with a pencil and ruler. Then with a sharp Olfa knife, carefully cut out the desired shape. If you need any red rubber gasket material, check out the description, there is a link there to purchase it. If you get value from any of my content, please remember to like and/or subscribe. It's appreciated. But let's not part ways there. Check out these other videos I am recommending for you to please. If you like to do your own maintenance, repairs, or want to know some tips and tricks for DIY, then check out all the other videos I offer.